In this video, let's unbox this DIGITEK LED light. I ordered this from Amazon. If you are interested to buy this after the review, link is in description box. This light you can easily carry to any place you want. But this is not water resistant, do note this. You can use this for both videography and photography. The box looks like this. Battery is also included in the box, so you don't need to buy it separately. On the back you can see the specs of this light. Coming to another beauty of this light is you can control the intensity of light. This is not a RGB light, but you can change light either warm or cool. After breaking the seals, inside a booklet with clear instructions is there. And next we are having the light. One cold shoe mount is also provided in the box. You can directly attach to your top of the camera where the external flashlights are placed. With the help of threaded hole, you can attach it to the Gorilla Pods too. One micro USB cable is given to charge the battery. This is the battery. If you want to charge the battery, the USB cable is needed. You can attach the battery by checking the pins here on the back of the light. I added the battery. Now it's time to check. I attached the light to my camera flash holder and let's check the results now. Now you are seeing the cool light. And now this is warm light. Finally, this is both lights turned on. Overall, it's a good light for indoor and outdoor conditions. I'll post the review video of this light and stay tuned by subscribing the channel.